Got all that junk off, and it all looks good except for this right up under here. And that's no paint flaking off. A little bit of rust. It got hit, and I don't know what happened. But I'm going to try to repair that without it affecting anything else. Alright, let's try to get that repaired. I'm going to pull this off and then try to get some of that rust out of there. Alright, got that off. Now, I got some real rough sandpaper because it ain't going to matter. All I want to do is get most of that rust out of there, get down to metal. Where the paint will stick. And won't flake off. That'll just about do it right there. Alright. Now then, let me go get some tape and we'll tape this off. And then just shoot a little bitty piece of white paint there, and then see if we can't make that look a little better. Alright, got it kind of taped off, and most of the junk sanded off. And then I'm ready for some paint. I use this primer, flat gray primer, Rust-Oleum, and then just some plain old Krylon Color Max white, and then we'll see what happens. All right. That's all we need. Now then, when that dries, we'll come back and do the white. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes now. So if I can find this thing. It's right there. Alright. There we go. Could have been better. Could have got that a little bit better on that side. But I put Rust-Oleum on there. So it should be fine. Alright. We'll pull all that tape off and put our lens back on and see what it looks like here directly when that dries. That's it for now. Alright, it's been a couple of hours, so let's just pull all this junk off and see what it looks like. It ain't perfect, but it ain't bad. Lens back on there and we'll see what it does. Alright. Through, other than maybe a week or so, I put a little wax on it, but at least it won't be rusting. And you can't really tell a whole lot about it. It's a lot better than it was anyway, and it ain't rusting. So there you go. Quick fix to a little problem.